Hi there, and welcome to GetReskilled's 2025 list of the top pharma and med device companies in Ireland, as rated by their own employees. When we were considering what makes a top company, we thought that the experience of employees should be pretty high up on that list. So we've taken employee-submitted scores from two different websites and combined them to create a star rating system for Ireland's pharma and med device manufacturing companies. To be included in this list, a company had to have a review score on both of the websites, and to simplify the results, we've grouped together similar scoring companies. This is the fifth year we've compiled the list, so let's now take a look at the results for 2025. And let's start with the 3-star group. The 17 companies in this group all scored between 3 and 3.49 when overall employee ratings were calculated. In this group we find companies such as Leo Pharma, who have employees in both Cork and Dublin, Astellas, who operate sites in Dublin and Kerry, and Integer, who employ approximately 1,300 people across Galway and Wexford. Next up is the 3.5-star group. This group all scored between 3.5 and 3.99 when the ratings were calculated. This is a group where we see the majority of companies. You'll find 33 companies here, including Siemens Healthineers, Edwards Life Sciences and Regeneron. There are some huge employee numbers in this group. 10 of them employ more than 1,000 people across Ireland. The biggest employers in this group are J&J and Abbott, who employ approximately 5,000 people across the country each, followed by Medtronic, who employ approximately 4,000. And finally, since no company scored above 4.5, our highest rated group is the 4-star group. And here we find 11 companies who all scored between 4.0 and 4.49. In this section of the list we find Novo Nordisk, who employ approximately 450 people in Roscommon and Dublin, Pfizer, who employ roughly 5,000 people in sites across Cork, Dublin and Kildare, and GE Healthcare, who have approximately 750 employees in Cork. And they just recently announced a $138 million investment to expand the site there. A massive well done to all the companies who made it into this top group based on their employee reviews. And I also want to give a special mention to 3 companies in this group: Stryker, Novartis and Harmac Medical Products. These companies all moved up into this 4-star group after placing in the 3.5-star group last year, so massive well done to them on the improvement of their employee reviews in this past year. So there you go, that's a quick rundown of GetReskilled's 2025 list of the top pharma and med device companies in Ireland as rated by their employees. As always, I'll put a link to the full article in the notes below, and if you're interested in starting a new career in Ireland's pharma industry, or upskilling to a more specialised niche within it, head over to GetReskilled.com and find the course that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the GetReskilled channel for more unique insights into the pharma and med device industries.